Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Learn in a Nutshell. So in today's video, let's see how to create a free commerce tool trial account with our Gmail ID. So what we'll do is let's first of all search for commerce tools and go to documentation and go to the commerce tool composable commerce. And there are two ways to create trial account. One is going to their official website and creating one. That is, if you go here and click on 60-day trial, it will take us here and click on start free trial. It will ask for some details. But what happens is every time you enter something and provide Gmail, it will say it's not a valid, or the address from Gmail domain is not accepted. So the other way to do this is go back and go to HTTP API and click on general concepts. Now if you scroll down, you'll get a lot of URLs over here. You can choose any one. Let me choose Europe. Copy this and go to the merchant center URL. Just replace this API with MC and click on enter. It will take us to the merchant center login page. So right now I've already logged in. Let me clear this. So if I refresh now again, it will take us to the login page. Here you'll see create new account. Click on that. Don't click on start free trial. It will again take us here, which we don't want. Click on create account, and here you provide the Gmail ID. So let me give my another Gmail ID and click on confirm email. So you'll get one sign up mail from commerce tools. So let's go to my mail. So if I go to this mail ID, there will be a mail coming up from commerce tools. Click here to sign up. Provide some details. Can provide any role and provide a password. So after providing the password, click on create account. So it should be created. And now you can load some sample data directly from the page itself, from the merchant center homepage itself. Start with sample data. Click on start with sample data. Give some organization name. And maybe some project key. It should be a project key, but I'm just giving it like this. You can give any project name of your choice. And let me add one as well and click on complete. So it will load some sample data with customers, orders, some product types, everything, so that you can get started with. So yeah, that's how you create a commerce tool trial account with your Gmail ID. So hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments if it was useful. And yeah, please do subscribe, guys. So that's all in the video. Please do subscribe to this channel. And also like this video if you liked it. Please share with your friends. And if you have any queries, please do post in the comment section. So yeah, that's all in this video. Let's catch again next video. Until then, see you. Bye.